Hi, good morning, everyone. So this is Ganesh from Monolith. Thanks for the introduction. Um, I'll just say a few words about Monolith. Monolith is a multimedia technology company headquartered at Tokyo, and it's present around 8 countries around the APAC region. Uh, we provide services in multimedia managed services to our clients and AR/VR solutions, video production, and event management and event production support to our clients. Okay, so being in Monolith, we have catered a lot of AR and VR projects to our clients with various functionalities and what to say, various functionalities and various requirements. Okay, now I know that we are in a VFX summit, and you see the topic like branding and promotion using an AR technology. Like, it may sound a little bit of off the topic from VFX summit or something, but I would like to give a justification on this topic and why I particularly chose this topic in Visual Effects Summit, basically. So for that, like, we have to jump into the technology, augmented reality, right? What is AR? So first we have to have a basic understanding of what is augmented reality. So I hope, like, everyone will know the AR technology, because the technology has become day in and day out technology for everyone. As a lot of AR apps has evolved, in both Apple Store and like Android Store for you to use on the day-by-day basis. And the important application that you use day in and day out is Snapchat. Okay, like Snapchat is one of the app which everyone uses day in and day out for something or other. You maintain snap streaks in the sense, like, you take some pictures which is called as snaps in Snapchat, and you send it to the people around you just to know what you are doing, or like just to have some crazy numbers maintained, like I have 300 snaps, or you will be very proud to say that you have scored more than 1 lakh snap points or something. So, like, I have heard a lot of students maintaining more than 10 lakh snaps or something. Snap streaks. No, no, not this streaks. It's score. The streak is like you maintain by sending each other, right? Score is the total snaps that you sent. So I have seen like 11 lakh, 12 lakh snap scores scored by students. So, like, Snapchat has become one of the very common application that you use every day. So AR is not a new or the latest technology with like everyone doesn't explore. It has been explored by everyone, but there is a fact that a lot of people use Snapchat without knowing that that is an AR technology. Okay, so now you have to get an understanding that augmented reality is within our reach, and Snapchat is one of the biggest example for us. Now, coming to the point, why I chose this particular topic in VFX. Okay, so augmented reality is not some rocket science which has come from some other department, or it's like programming or something. It's the next level of visual effects. How? So what is visual effects basically? What do you define as visual effects? Anyone? What is visual effects? What is visual effects? Okay, let me make it a simple answer. Adding some effects to the footages you shoot. Okay, you shoot something and you are going to add some effects over it. Okay, so that is visual effects. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital information such as images, videos, 3D models, or any other virtual elements into the real world. Okay, again, I'm defining the same thing, right? What's the definition I said to visual effects? I'm defining the same thing for augmented reality. Okay, AR enhances the user's perception of their physical surroundings by combining computer-generated content with real environment. That is live CG VFX, right? You know what is live CG VFX. You have a live shoot and you have some virtual elements augmented over it. So what I'm trying to tell is, augmented reality and visual effects are not diversified things. It's almost same, but there is only one thing which separates augmented reality from visual effects. Anyone have a guess what is that one particular point that separates visual effects from augmented reality? Any guess on what separates augmented reality from the term visual effects? Okay, I'll give you that point. It's the term real time. Okay, when this augmentation of or adding the virtual elements happens in real time, it may be termed as augmented reality. When it happens in like what to say, in post-production, and you see that is termed as visual effects. So this is how augmented reality and visual effects are related. So that is why I have taken such topic. And also, as I said, we have catered a lot of projects to our clients in this particular technology, and the main purpose or main thing for which we are approached basically is branding. Okay, so XR technology has a lot of applications, you all know, right? AR and VR, it has a lot of applications, but one of the major applications focused by clients and major application of augmented reality is branding and promotion. Okay, so in today's session, I'll just give you a small gist on how clients are using, how the companies are using this particular technology as a branding tool to engage their users. Okay, that is the objective of today's speech. Okay, so today by the end you will know, okay, these companies are using this technology for this kind of user engagement. Okay, and I'll show you in what ways they are using. Okay. Okay, so enhanced user experience, of course, like what's the speciality of augmented reality is, it is an immersive technology. That is a term, right? Immersive technology. So why it is called as immersive technology? Because it immerses yourself into that particular world, or you get immersed into that particular world. For example, like you have a hat filter in Snapchat. Okay, you keep your face in your camera and the hat gets fixed in your hat. Why you do that? Why you send snaps every day? If you don't have any additional elements, will you take your picture and send to your friends every day? No. You will be bored to see your face itself. Okay, and your friends will be bored and they will block you. If you send like, if you maintain the same 300 snap streak without these elements to your friends, of course they are not going to allow you for that. Okay, will they allow you to send your pictures daily? Like flat, why should I see your face daily? That's what. So what it does is it enhances user experience. Okay, so that is the main application of augmented reality. When user has an enhanced engagement, that is the main thing which is in branding, right? In what you have to do in branding and promotions, you have to make audience engage. So that is the one biggest advantage which is happening in augmented reality, and that is why companies take this as a tool for engaging audience for their particular brand. Okay, so now let's talk about branding. What is branding? Why branding needs this one? Okay, branding is a process of creating a unique and recognizable identity for a company or its product and services. Okay, so this is the definition of branding. Okay, you are going to create an identity for you. What's your identity? Basically your name. So your name is your brand. Second, maybe by some of your small appearances, you have a long hair, that is an identity. So if I see you somewhere outside, I can recognize you that you are in my you are in my session, because I little bit of remember what's your identity. So what's the main thing behind branding is, if I have a brand, I have to create an identity for it. As a person, I have an identity. So my name is Ganesh, so I wear specs. Okay, I have a curly hair, I have a little bit of coloring on my hair. So I wear a black shirt today. So I have some features or like some identity to me. Okay, I have a scar in my forehead. So you give identities for your government forms and also. So as a person, you have some identity, right? So same way, that's why you are remembering me. Okay, if you are seeing me next time, this beard, this specs, this can make you trigger, oh, this guy I have seen somewhere. Okay, so that's triggering, right? That triggering is what needed for a brand. So when you are seeing in why branding is done in lot of places and like throughout the year, why it is being done? Because like I want you to remember my brand. Okay, if you see in a bus stand, I put some branding. If you go to home, if you turn on your TV and you get the same thing, you'll be like, oh, okay, I saw that brand there. So what I'm trying to do is, when I'm doing a branding, I'm trying to register my identity to you and trying to make my brand like an, like an used to one. Okay, I know this, I know this. So when your mind is used to that, like I know this, when you go to a supermarket and you see some product with my brand name in that rack, you'll be like, yeah, I know this product. So my ultimate aim is to make you remember what is the identity of the product. That is called branding. Okay, so branding has a lot of ways to implement that. Like whatever I'm trying to achieve, there are a lot of ways to achieve this particular term called branding. Okay, so let's see how this particular technology is used for making these things to happen. Okay, what are the key aspects of branding? Okay, I said like you have to, I have to make you register what is my brand, what is the identity of my brand. As I said, I can like this is my brand, this is the quality of my brand, this is the aspects of my brand. So what are all the aspects? Okay, first thing is brand identity. I said right, this is the brand. So maybe a logo, color of your logo, signature of your logo, like something has to be registered. Okay, when it comes to Airtel, what color comes in mind? Red. That's it. That's the brand identity they have created. Wherever you see red, you'll be like slightly getting into your mind it's Airtel. What is the attractive point of KFC? Again, red with white. Wherever you see that kind of thing, it will be like, oh, okay, I'm coming to KFC. Okay, so that's the brand value they create. Okay, that's how brands make you remember these things. How you are remembering these things? You have seen several times. Okay, so you have been there, like you have seen in a lot of campaigns, and you are remembering that. That's brand identity. Next is brand value and positioning. Brand value. Okay, what is the main aspect of Mercedes Benz? You say value for money, luxury. Exactly. That is the brand value. What is the value that brand is giving you? Okay, it's a luxury. So when it comes to Mercedes Benz, you say luxury. So it is fixed in your mind. So now you don't have money. Just imagine, like in 10 years, you are getting some 50 crores. What car will you buy? Of course, your mind will go towards luxury. When you think of luxury, your subconscious mind will tell, hey, when it's luxury, it's Mercedes Benz. Go and buy Mercedes Benz. So you will automatically go to Mercedes Benz. He's not doing any marketing to you. He's releasing a new AMG. He's not coming and giving you a pamphlet. Is any Mercedes Benz showroom giving you a pamphlet? No. He just raises a brand value and makes you remember that when you want luxury, get a Mercedes Benz. When you want to use a luxury phone, go for an Apple. Okay, so this is the brand value and positioning. Where your brand is positioned, that is dependent on what you are projecting. Okay, next is brand story. Of course, like a lot of brands, if you go, you will have a brand story. Like for example, there is a shop called Ravi Soda Factory in Chennai near my house. Okay, so he's like present there like around 40 years. It's just a small soda shop. Okay, if you ask anyone in and around that area, they know that shop. I'm not telling now, since you have Instagram reels to share all those things, not now. Even for like 30 years, without these Instagram reels or something, that soda factory has a separate fan base and it has a story. So everyone will tell a story for that. Okay, if someone comes new to Chennai, they tell that there is a shop called Ravi Soda Factory that is there for like 30 years. There will be tree going in middle of that shop. That is the identity of that shop. There is a story behind that shop. Okay, they tell you story. Okay, that's a brand story you create. Okay, then it's like consistency. Of course, if he is not giving you a good product for like 30-40 years, you don't have a story. So brand promotion should have a consistency in its performance. And brand equity. Brand equity is again what is the value for your brand. Okay, so as I said, same example I can take Mercedes Benz. What is the cost of Mercedes Benz AMG? Just tell me a rough cost. 1 CR. 1 CR. What is the cost of Nexa or Maruti Suzuki car? 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, just keep it as 20 lakhs. What makes that 80 lakhs of difference? Brand value. So you are like, your 80 lakhs spent is for, I have a Mercedes Benz. Your value is elevated with that. So the another 80 lakhs you pay is for the equity of that brand. That brand has some money. You are paying money for that brand name. I have a BMW bike. Okay? So, like nevertheless they know what you're struggling with that car. I'll tell you, man, he's having a Mercedes Benz. He should be a very big person. So that brand equity, what you're building. These are all the aspects of branding, what you have to build. Okay, next coming to the part called promotions. So both are different. You have heard of these terms, right? Branding, promotion, all these things. So what is a promotion? Promotion is like a particular thing. Okay, in a branding, what I'll do is I will project what is me and what is what is my aspects, what is and all those things. In promotion, I will project the particular thing which I want to sell you. Okay, so I can tell you in my introduction, I told you that I do this, I do that. But when it comes to topic, I'm talking only about AR because I'm trying to sell AR here. So this is called promotion. When you converge your funnel and you try to sell one particular thing, that is called as promotion. Okay, promotion is set of marketing activities and strategies used to communicate and promote a company's product or services. One particular product or service you take and you try to project thing, that is called promotion. Okay. So promotions, like there are a lot of channels to do promotions. Okay, one is advertising, normal advertising. Next is public relations and sales promotion, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, events and sponsorships like these, and direct marketing, influencer marketing, word of mouth marketing. What is word of mouth marketing? The same, the soda shop which I said, that is word of mouth marketing. And search engine marketing, like you do SEOs, you do Google ad campaigns, all these things. So you all know all these things, digital marketing, everything, right? So all these are channels of promotion, and I'm not telling these are the only channels of promotion. There are a lot of channels of promotion, like affiliate marketing is there, like lots and lots. Okay, I have created a gist and put here. Okay, these are these channels of promotion, and you have to understand the market. So market is like very huge when it comes to digital. Okay, when it comes to digital, we all have an idea that this e-commerce purchasing digital things is happening only in tier A cities, but whatever the session happens, the focus will be on tier 2 and tier 3 cities, you all know. So I would like to share you a number, like 105 million e-commerce customers are from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Okay, so it is like digital is not only in major cities, it is also in tier 3 and tier 3 cities. Okay, so jumping directly into AR marketing, how this AR is going to influence this marketing. I said all these points for marketing, promotion, and all those things. Now let's see how, where and all AR is fitting into this and how the brand value is raised using AR. First thing is interactive product visualization. Okay, next thing is virtual try-on before you buy. Okay, next is enhanced packaging and print media materials. Okay, then location-based AR, gamified promotions, virtual store tours, AR in advertising, event marketing, social media AR filters, and AR hunts and challenges. Okay, so these are all the like collective different methods where AR is used in marketing. So let's see one by one how this particular thing is used in with an example. Okay, so AR try-ons. So try-on is like what is the word try-on? You have to now it has been a digital world, and you have Amazon, Flipkart, everything. You see the product. Once you see the product, next thing you do is see the reviews. Why you have to see the reviews? Because you are not touching and feeling it. You see only the picture of it, and you are not sure what product is going to come and how that product is going to perform. You want some surety or guarantee before buying this product. How will you get that? So if I need to get that, I need to see the reviews of people who has used it already. So what you do is you read the reviews and just check what the other persons has thought about it and what they have commented about it. Okay, these are all the things. Now, by the end, what's the ultimate agenda is you have to try it before you use it. Okay, that's the main thing. You go to a shop. Like a lot of people are not adapting online shopping because in the Myntra, what people are telling is I can't try. I cannot try. I cannot see whether it suits me or not. Okay. Then comes the revolution called try-ons. Okay. What you can do is you can select that particular product and check how that is going to suit you. Okay. I hope you all have seen Lenskart.com website where you can. That's one of the earliest adapter of augmented reality. So what they did is you select a spectacle and you turn on the front camera. Your face, it will be like that particular specs will be fixed to your face, and you can check how your face is going to fix and see in different angles. Okay, so now you have an option of try-on from sitting in your home. Okay, so that is the biggest advantage of AR try-ons. There are a lot of brands which have adapted AR try-ons so that people will know what exactly they are doing it on scale, like to the scale measurements, and they are trying to show how this is going to fit you personally, whether that color or the size of the object, or like whatever may be the product, how it is going to fit you. It has been like purely recognized by try-ons. Okay, just see that video. It's a brand of like a handbag brand. They have made a try-on experience, so you can just try on. So if you see here, she's just selecting that product, and her body is tracked, and like preview is shown on like how that product will appear, or how that product is suiting that particular person when she is going to wear it. Okay, so this gives her freedom of doing a trial without going to the store of that particular brand. Okay, so that brand, what that brand has done now, it has reached directly to the customer, even they are not onto the store. Okay, which is very important for the customers. Like a lot of customers do window shopping, right? What's window shopping? Go, just try it and keep it and come. So what's the thing which is main requirement for a client, for a customer, is trying. So they want to try everything and just need to figure out which is suiting them. So that has been sorted with the technology called augmented reality. Next is packaging AR. So this is one interesting thing which brands follow. They want, like as I said, brand engagement and user engagement is one of the major thing which brands focus. They want users to like engage with whatever they sell. Okay, so what they do is they create a experience with the marker called, like their wrappers will be the markers for that AR. Okay, so if you take your mobile and just scan it, you can see some animations or some branding things happening on that markers. Okay, so what they are doing is basically they sell it and they give some experience to you. Not only after you get the Jack Daniels, you can not only just pour it and drink it. Now you can just scan it and play with it and also drink it. Also you can drink it and scan it and see. Okay, so they have given some interactive things to do. So what's happening is you are interacting with the brand now. I'll play this video. So they have given a short story of their process as an AR. So you can just scan it and you can see it. So why they are doing these things? Just a brand engagement. You engage with that. So next time you tell someone, hey, just don't throw the bottle, scan it and see it's having some story running behind it. So it's an interactive technology, right? You interact with the bottle now and your user engagement is increased. So that is how. Yeah, that depends, like what platform you are publishing. Either it can be on a separate app or any platform already available, or just a web link. That depends on how you are trying to publish it. Next is gamified AR. So this is the topmost used technique by the companies for doing AR campaigns. So what they do is they have their brand converted into a game. Okay, so whatever may be the product, they create a game out of it, a simple game out of it, and release it as a Snapchat or Instagram filter, so that user will user ultimately needs a content to post in social media. Okay, so what the influence of social media has done is whatever creative or new things you are posting, you get new likes, and the craving for new likes and comments is making you search for the contents everywhere. So what these brands are doing is they are trying to give you a interactive content so that you just record and post it on the social media. So basically what's happening is when it comes to gamified AR, they are converting their brand story or brand product into a small game, and they are giving it as a filter. So you can just play it, record it, and post it on social media. So once you are posting on social media, everyone are seeing and that brand is getting promoted. Okay, that's what is happening. See this is a brand game video made for KFC. like the KFC guys have this promotion in Instagram. So you have to turn on the front camera and your face will be replaced in that particular thing, and you have to open your mouth and collect all the chicken pieces flying around. So these kind of crazy stuffs brands create to make you engaged with that particular brand. Okay, so KFC, you all know, like they are like very huge brand. So why they are doing this? Just to make people engage with their brand. Okay. So end of this, you will get a score, and you can post in social media with that score. Okay, same. This one is a gamified experience by Oreo. So same way, you have to turn on your front camera. Your face will be replaced in that, and it will be like you are getting dipped into that milk. So again, an interactive thing from a company for brand engagement. Next, movie promotions. So a lot of movies and shows have started like adapting to this technology for their promotions. So especially there is a there is a movie called Paper Rocket in Tamil. So they, what they have done is they have made some paper rockets revolve around the face. Like if you turn on your filter and turn on that, like some paper rockets, if you just blow the paper, it will convert into paper rocket and come around you. So just a game kind of thing, but like making that brand get registered. Okay. See, just blowing the rockets and it's getting revolved around. So this is the promotional video from Big Boss. Okay, so they have their virtual Big Boss set in as an AR filter. You just turn the front camera and you just rotate 360 degrees, and it will be like you are inside the Big Boss house. So they have released a filter like that. Next is AR in events. So augmented reality is used in events for like engaging users. So event is all about user engagement, right? You get a lot of why these sessions are being conducted. You come to an event, just visit the stall and you can go. But why they are conducting these kind of sessions? To give you some insights or make you interact. Okay, so make you interact and do things. Okay, so like events use this like particular technology very effectively to engage audience. For example, we have this experience in our stall where user can interact with his fellow space mate and dance with him. So people are like enjoying a lot, like coming over and enjoying like dancing with that space suit or something. Also, we have this particular experience in our stall where you come and scan our stall with your Snapchat filter, and you see all the balloons flying over our stall. Okay, so all these things are done just for like making users engage, just not by passing the stall. Just you scan it and you see a lot of elements flying over it. Either you can just post it on your timeline, or you'll just that few seconds of engagement gives a very big impact on the brand engagement. Okay, and the next one is like one of the filters we made for an event in Tokyo. So we made like a poster come live as animation when it is scanned through your camera. So that is it's an event happened in Tokyo last month basically. So this has been made for like brand engagement in that event. Okay, next we have some face filters, like your brand can be on your faces. Okay, so and that particular filter may have good brand engagement with that. Okay, so all these are videos which has been done in events for engaging the user, because like engaging users in an event is a very big task. Basically, you conduct an event and you want users to be engaged always. That then only the success of the event will come. Next is product visualization. Okay, in product visualization, what's happening basically is as it is similar to a try-on for your dress or the handbags which I show. It is for a like a physical product you buy. May it be a table or a TV. Now you buy something in Amazon, and a TV in Amazon, you can just try in AR and fix in your wall and check how far, how much space that particular TV is like occupying. Okay, before that you have to take a tape, mark something and find is 55-inch enough for me, or how much space it's going to consume. It's a manual calculation you have to do. Now it's like you just put a try on camera, turn on the camera and show the wall. You'll get the TV placed on the wall. Or you just if you want to purchase a table or a product, you just need to check, right, is that going to fit my particular place or not. Okay, that can be done in AR. So this is product visualization in AR. Okay, so I'll tell you a small case study which Hyundai did as an ad campaign. Okay, so they tested their ad campaign by using not only the videos and the images they do, they also added a augmented reality experience with that in Instagram, and they started their promotion. Okay, so this was their basic. This was by Hyundai Australia. So they were about to launch i20N basically. So when they were about to launch this i20N, they launched this filter also to try on like how that car will be looking on the floor, and you can walk around the car and check how that car will be looking. Okay, so this branding campaign they run, and the survey has been taken. Okay, and the result is like 12.5% shift in standard recall by adding. So recall is like it's a survey taken after your campaign. So they take the database and information after every campaign, which is called recall. Okay, what they do is it's a sales recall or a campaign recall. On the recall, they found that like 12.5% they had an increased engagement when they used the augmented reality. Okay, and then 8.4 percentage awareness of the product. But why the awareness of the product? Because just in images you cannot have all the details. When I walk around with that particular AR and check, I get a lot of awareness about that product. I can speak a lot about that product, like just not showing a picture or video. I'm making the car come into their location, which gives them a lot of awareness. Okay, this is going to occupy so much of space. This color is going to be look like this in this particular spot. Okay, so it gave a lot of awareness with that. And then 5.9% lift in product favorability by adding ads with augmented reality filter than usual. So 5.9 like favorable. Okay, this is fitting for me. So they can come to a decision, right? Taking a decision is the very biggest thing. So once they get the lot of information, they can take some decision, and product favorability has increased. This is the case study of Hyundai, and this has been the source is like this case study is let out by Facebook ads by themselves. They have surveyed the campaign, and they have released the like information of the particular campaign. Okay, so this is the effectiveness of augmented reality proved as a number. Okay, why AR? So what are all the benefits? I showed some numbers with particular brand activity. So now let's see some numbers. What is the particular thing about AR when it comes to brand engagement? Okay, so 87% of time campaigns which included an AR effect outperformed those which did not have a driving incremental ad recall at the age demography of 18 to 24. When you take an age limit of 18 to 24, like ads with AR campaign in it had a 87% success rate. Okay, so 87% of time the campaigns which had AR outperformed this one. Okay, so every time an ad campaign contains an AR, it outperforms a campaign which doesn't have an AR. Okay, this is the proven like survey. Okay, next 6.7 average lift in incremental ad recall for experiments, like what to say, what your ad recall, that's what I said, recall is the survey. So 6.7% brand engagement increased when AR is being used. So 87 times it is performing high, and how high it is performing, it is 67.5% highly performing than a campaign which doesn't have an AR. Then 15 seconds average time spent with engaging AR. So like at a point of time you scroll the Instagram, every post is just taking a millisecond of your time. So all the people, digital people around you, graphic designers around you are trying to struggle to make you stay at least 1 second on your timeline. Okay, if a design stays at least 1 second on your timeline, it's the success of the designer. So making people, like in the faster world, you're scrolling, making you stay for at least 1 second is being a very big task. And when it comes to AR, it's 15 seconds brand engagement time by a user when it is like when the campaign has an AR, which is very important. Okay, then I said a lot of aspects, right? What are all the key aspects? Let's see what are all the aspects satisfied by AR now. First one is brand value. Of course, it amplifies the promotional connection to the brand. Okay, so what happens is you are personally connecting it to them. So when I'm personally wearing a specs, I get personally connected to it. That's why I buy when I go to a store, right? Why they are giving as a trial when you are going to a store? Because you wear it, it personally connects with you, and you decided to buy. So same thing is happening here. My brand value is increased because I get a personal connection with the brand. Next is brand purpose. So what is the purpose of that particular product? You know, and it is the you wear it and check the purpose of the brand. Okay. Then product value. What is the value of the product? You elevate it. You elevate how comfort it's to you in augmented reality. And then trial, which is very important. You trial, you see it, you check it, and then you buy it. So all these branding key aspects are being addressed by augmented reality, and that's why a lot of leading brands are leaning towards augmented reality. And this particular technology is going to take branding to next level with all the social media platforms and web and other particular app-based AR in the future. Okay. Any questions?
Yeah.
Hi, so it was a wonderful talk.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry I couldn't attend the entirety of it. I came in the middle.
Cool.
So my name is Shubhransh. I am the founder of Rajan AI Solutions.
Okay.
And it has a few agencies under it.
Okay.
And we also deal with media and marketing, especially in the AR field and all of that.
Okay.
And actually, I'm looking for a lot of people. So anyone would like to volunteer and talk to me, please do. I actually have a question regarding the augmented reality branding problem.
Okay.
So the thing is, do you believe after a while when people realize the fact that a lot of AR branding is done for just promotional purposes, the statistics are inevitably going to fall down?
Okay. I say no, because is the value of digital marketing has come down? No. Is the value of advertisements has come down? No. Advertisements are there for around like just till 100 years. 100 years advertising is happening in some or other form.
Right.
And everyone knows that it's for promotional purpose.
So,
Okay.
but like,
So it's like people knows you are selling me something, but they are okay if you convince me.
right.
See, Amazon Great Indian Sale is happening, and everyone, if you have a group talk, you will tell that, hey man, they are just cheating us. They will strike out the old price and put the same price and sell with us. Whoever speak this, like, go home and searches for a good deal and orders something. So people are like, I know you are marketing something to me. I know you are selling something to me. But if you try to convince me, I'm okay for it. So if the augmented reality experience, which like if it convinces you, you'll surely believe that it's going to be, I'm not going to tell, like people are going to leave it because they want some engagement, and that engagement is provided by AR.
But also, do you believe that subtle digital marketing, something akin to like Duolingo's marketing, it was very subtle when it came to marketing, right? Most people did not even understand that it was Duolingo's marketing strategy. So I think, at least, do you believe that subtle digital marketing would prevail over obvious digital marketing in this case?
Yeah, see, that's what I'm telling. That depends on the target audience.
Right.
Okay, so like it's a busy world. Okay, you should start categorizing your audience. Who sees Instagram only for half an hour per day? Who sees only LinkedIn? Who sees only Facebook? So there are like a lot of audience who sees that. Okay, so when that particular mode of marketing addresses only particular type of audience, it's going to be subtle, but it will be very consistent.
All right.
Okay, so even that particular type of marketing is targeting some audience, right? Maybe that some audience is a small portion in the entire population, but still, until that particular population prevails, this kind of marketing prevails. But the thing is, it's not going to erode the market, because what everyone wants is the focus light for everyone. Okay, so I'm standing on the stage, focus lights are on me, because but you are also sitting, right? It's like that. Okay, so focus light is on what technology everyone needs. It has been overshadowed by a lot of technologies, but still they prevail because that particular audience prevail.
Right. Okay, so I would love to connect with you after
Thank
that
you.
as well.
I'll be in the
Thank
stall T14 and 15.
100.
You can come.
100%.
Thank you. Any other questions? Okay, right. Thank you so much for your patience and listening for the session. See you all. Like I'll be in the stall. If you need to connect, you can come and connect with me. Thank you so much.